Now let's look at this. What was taken? This is a scenario, right? So let's understand this scenario. Security breaches today are very common, with attackers constantly finding new and innovative ways of infiltrating organizations in search of valuable information. Now, let's go down into this scenario. So, according to our source, a well known hotel chain that operates across the world has reported a massive data breach with the personal information of over 3 million guests exposed to hackers. The hotel discovered that hijackers or hackers gained access to its customers' database by using the login details of one of its employees. So at this point, the hotel doesn't believe that the hackers were able to access any account passwords or financial information. Recent guests are encouraged to check the hotel's chain's web portal to see if they have been impacted by this breach. So there in the first example, you can see that people's or customer informations were stolen because of the data breach that happened in the hotel. Another scenario says that the team at Apollo is actually a company, is concerned because e-learning platforms are becoming prime targets for attackers as more and more organizations make the move to digital learning. A popular online training platform admitted leaving the personal data of millions of its students exposed on publicly accessible cloud database. Hackers were able to directly access students' full names, email addresses, phone numbers, and school enrollment details from the internet. While it's unclear what the hackers have done with this acquainted information, it is safe to say that they have everything they need to carry out a widespread phishing or malware attack. So imagine having millions of users email. That's wild. That's a huge pool to carry out a phishing attack. Then let's look at what we are able to take away from this lesson. So a security breach is an incident that results in unauthorized access to data, applications, services, or devices, exposing private information that attackers can use for financial gain or other advantages. There are many ways to protect yourself and your organization. It's important to be aware of common cyber attacks and remain vigilant so that you don't become the next victim.